This flower cake is easier than it appears. If you want to see how, keep watching. Subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of each new video. This is a 6-inch cake ready to be frosted with black buttercream. But let's get right to the flowers today. Pistachios or chopped nuts make a really nice backdrop for your arrangements. You can also add them after the flowers are on. For the Bouvardia flowers, start by piping out a mound of green. This is a 3-5-2 leaf. Next, make a ring of leaves around the outer edge. And then another ring of leaves inside that. Add a few more in the center. At this stage, it looks like a succulent. 3 of these is a good amount for this size cake. Then make a few places in between for your mums or other flowers. I'm going to show you 3 ways to make the flower part next. Using a dowel, pipe a small amount of green, just enough for your flower petals to grab onto. Using a 101 and white or pink, squeeze out 4 petals. Twist the dowel as you pull the flower up and off the rod. Place it onto your greenery. You can also use a rose nail to pipe the flowers. You can also pipe them directly onto the cake. Start by piping an elongated star with a number 18 star tip, wherever you want a flower to be. Then, using the 101, squeeze out 4 petals around each star. This is my favorite way to do it. The mums are made with an 81 tip and burgundy buttercream. I'll leave a link under the video for you in the description box to a very detailed mum tutorial. Use a mound of green as a support for each mum, and then add some small ones to fill in the gaps. Frozen tulips from a previous tutorial come in really handy. If you have extra buttercream, it's worth piping some extras and freezing them for the future cakes. It's a real time saver. If you have a large board or a plate to use as a display, try adding more flowers to the design like this. And pistachios top it off. If you like what you see, subscribe and ring the bell and share my videos, and please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.